In the last video, we've seen that subsidies can increase both consumer surplus and producer surplus, but they can also lead to deadweight loss, which represents a loss in the overall economic welfare. Governments may need to carefully assess whether the benefits of the subsidies outweigh the costs, especially when considering the long-term impacts of such interventions. In many developed countries, governments provide subsidies to farmers to ensure a stable food supply and maintain affordable food prices. For example, in both the EU and the US, subsidies are often granted to crops like wheat and corn. Some nations, particularly those with substantial oil and gas production like Saudi Arabia, subsidize energy production in order to keep electricity prices low for consumers. While subsidies may appear beneficial, there are several potential drawbacks to consider. First, subsidies can create inefficiencies by encouraging overproduction or excessive consumption of certain goods, leading to misallocation of resources. Although they can benefit producers in the short term, subsidies may hinder long-term market efficiency, especially if they distort competition or incentivize the production of goods that are not valued by society. Besides, over time, industries or sectors may become overly reliant on government support, making it harder for them to adjust to market conditions or adopt technological innovations. This dependency can stifle long-term growth and reduce incentives for firms to improve efficiency or productivity. Additionally, producers may lobby for subsidies or inflate their costs in order to secure financial support. This will divert resources from more productive uses. Also, subsidies require funding, which means money that could have been allocated to other valuable projects like infrastructure or education is instead spent on these subsidies. Moreover, if subsidies are not carefully managed, they can contribute to budget deficits and increase public debt. This will lead to potential long-term fiscal challenges. On top of these, the implementation of subsidies involves significant administrative overhead to ensure that they reach the intended recipients and to minimize fraud and inefficiencies in distribution. At the same time, subsidies can distort international trade, particularly if they affect industries exposed to the global competition. Other countries may retaliate by imposing tariffs or providing their own subsidies. This will potentially lead to trade wars. And another point is that subsidies may encourage the overuse of natural resources or contribute to pollution in some cases. For instance, fossil fuel subsidies can exacerbate environmental degradation. Subsidies are powerful tools for governments to influence the economy, supporting industries, encouraging consumption, and ensuring affordability. However, they actually come with both benefits and costs. Understanding their effects on both consumers, producers, as well as their potential long-term impact is crucial for designing effective policy.